everyone, this is Jackie from Jackie Sunshine. I'm out walking, taking a deep breath of this fresh air and feeling blessed. It's just awesome. Look at these trees, all in hibernation. But it's just beautiful with the sunlight right up there in my face. Of me walking, feeling really good today. After my colonoscopy yesterday, it was really good. I did it. I feel much lighter. I think all those who are 40 and above should do it. It'll be good for you. Well, on my walk again, enjoying the sounds of the birds and the fresh air. And there's a kind of calm silence, which is really refreshing. Really refreshing. Deep breaths, deep breaths. That's all we need to do. So guys, this is my little story for today from Jackie Sunshine. Don't focus on the road ahead of you. Focus on the steps you are taking right now. One step at a time, and you will get there. Love and peace. Ta-da!